Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So in this video, we are going to look at the subprogram in 9, second subprogram. So this subprogram is actually very easy, very small. So they're asking us to write PHP program to display current date, time and day. Okay, it's very short and very simple. So let's see how to write this. Okay. So I created a new file. So let's write the PHP code, opening PHP tag and closing PHP. And let me save this file. Okay, I'm going to save this file as date.php. You can give any name. I am giving date.php. Save. Okay. So you have to display three things: day, date and time. Okay. So day in the sense you have to display Friday, Saturday, Sunday, like that. Okay. So for displaying day, I am creating day variable, and here I will use the predefined function date. Here I will write L. That is not 1, that is L, small l, lowercase l. Okay. So which will give you the day, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, like that. Whatever day current day is, it will give that day, and it is stored in this variable. Similarly, let's store the current date. So here I will use date function, and let's say give the format of the date. So day like 13, 14, 15, something like that, and month and year. Okay, day, month and year format. Okay, and similarly for time, again you will use the date function only, but this time we will give hours, minutes, seconds and AM or PM. For that you will write capital A if you want to display AM or PM. Close. Okay, semicolon. So that's all. You got day, date and time. Now let's display all three of them. Print. Let's write day is $day and date is $date and time is $time. Okay, that's all. Now let's see the output of this. So right click my PHP, open link in new tab. So this is the previous program. Now let's directly access it, date.php. Okay. We got a syntax error. Let's see what is that. Okay, again I forgot this double quotes. So refresh. Okay. So day is Friday, date is 21/6/2024 and time is 8:48. So actually the time is 12:18 PM right now. So PHP by default takes another time zone. So to set, as I am from India, I will set the Indian time zone. For that you have to use a predefined function, date default time zone underscore set. Here for Indian time zone you will write Asia Kolkata. Okay, now let's refresh and see what will happen. Now you can see the current time 12:19 PM. Okay, so that's it guys for this program. So please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubts, comment below the video. Thank you.